Well, hello there, my favorite humanoids and clever bunnies. Welcome to today's procrastination and entertainment, or so I will say, claim. Today, I'm just going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek of the current situation. This is the UI I'm working on, currently in progress. It's basically a microcontroller safety programming. It's a tool for me to build my machine, the EDM machine. It has just grown in ridiculous proportions. Anyways, we shall continue leveling. Yes, and of course, the tech video is on the way, but it takes time. Look at all those delicious little points we got here. We got the drivers, we got the gunner, and we got the loader, which we will of course take. Why miss once in 1 minute when you can miss 2 times? That is the question. Let's just check the others as well. 28, that should be absolutely nothing. Oh, vitality. Vitality. I got a hard time following the diet, mainly because of all the issues. Yeah. Damn PTSD is always under the just under the surface. So we're gonna dart across here. Quickly. Oh my god. Quickly I said. I just hope they would. Can I break through here? Oh shit, almost not. Better get out of the goddamn way. Of course, I can never see anything. Let's just take it easy here for a while. It is hard to be a sportsman.
The enemy's getting closer to victory.
Nice cup of Thai tea, Thai food tea, English. I quite like it. Yeah, that damn grenade is bigger than my whole tank. Oh. I'm gonna take this. That's a lovely cup of tea. We gonna take that. Go.
Самолет! 6 часов! Внимание, воздух! Вижу повреждения! Цель уничтожена! 1-1!
I was quite happy with the murder of my murderer.
Самолет! 10 часов! Самолет! 10 часов! Дистанция 1700 метров! Самолет! 9 часов! Дистанция 650 метров! Цель уничтожена! Самолет! 6 часов! Дистанция 2000 метров! Нас подбили! Ходовая вышла из строя!
Bastard. Well,
We need to put more pressure on the enemy. They're winning. Бронебойные! Артиллерия! Координаты! Семь! Уничтожить! Ура! 7! Принял! Открываю огонь! Танк! 11 часов! Упор! Недалек!
God damn it. Oh, yeah. APPC. Defeat. Oh my god, this is... Maybe I should just stop in the lower ranks where people are just passing through. Oh, yeah. For me, being eating what they call chocolate in the socialist state. Oh. It passes for chocolate, no. It's just palmine. Or what else? It's like some kind of a transgender oil. With sugar. Oh. It is important for the Communist state of Denmark to confirm that they are looking after the public by reducing the tax on sugar. Not on actual food, oh no, sugar of course. Socialism is the filthiest thing ever. If you vote socialist, you're just voting for a nobody who can't get a job. Probably won't do anything. Who's that? Wagner, the Wagner group. Shall we follow this this French guy? Oh my god, I could just... if I had a chocolate bar right now, I will just inhale it. Oh. Yes, idiot, or... This is number 2. Okay, now we got... Look at that. Let's just... Alright, what is that? Where the hell was that guy at? Froggy. Oh, that is a lovely tanker. Anyways, that's the guy. Yeah. He'll probably be up here soon. Yeah, exactly. Attention. Hey, Froggy met his demise. That's good. While I'm struggling here to control my little Wonder Wagon while drinking lowly copper.
Thank you very much.
No. Let's go this direction this time, huh? Look, oh my god. My little buddy, he got blapped. Oh my god, I need to get out of. Ah, yes. Ay! Bastard. Who was that? Was that Froggy again? Anyways, where were we at? I'm not even Yes, let's continue failing. What's the APBC? This is number 4. Mercy. Little bastard. Okay, I'm in deep shit here, huh? They're coming here soon. Yeah, reverse. Oh my god! Oh, I should just uninstall this game now. Come on. Yeah. Huh? Yes, uninstall. That was so hard. That was so fail. That was so much fail. It gives me reasons to. What do I got here actually? Of course, we got artillery support. Let's take accuracy. And let's take that. What the hell is going on? And why do I got so much? And let's take this vitality as well. And loader. Yeah, and agility. Where's my sugar-free bonbons? Getting fatter by the day again. I blame socialism. Socialism creates instability. Socialism creates... If socialists could eat their other socialist kids, they would have. And they probably are. Fuck's sakes. Foy. Oh, we're gonna take our little bitty tank again.
Экипаж к бою! Механик-водитель к бою готов!
It will... We will succeed at one point. And I hate this map with the bottom of my heart. Bottom of my heart. Bloody fun. Oh, he shot me twice? Oh, no. Oh. This is ridiculous. Yes. It went so well the other days. So, well, yes, I'm here. We need to go somewhere else. We're not going to be here fighting close quarters. I hate that. Let's circle around. Look at the quick boys fight. There's where is my green guy? Oh, he's like the master blaster. Oh, we should not stay here. No way, I'm
Самолет! 10 часов! Внимание, воздух! Ваш квадрат наносит артиллерийский удар! Attention to the map! Попадание! Attention to the map!
cannot do it, man.
Дистанция 350 метров. Недалек. Артиллерия! Координаты! Жесть! Уничтожить! Принял! Открываю огонь! Ваш квадрат наносит артиллерийский удар! Приход артиллерийского удара! Attention to the map! Attention to the designated red square! Авиация на подходе! Дистанция 450 метров. Авиация на подходе. Вижу повреждения. Нас подбили!
Unbelievable. It's still good. Oh, there's somebody else. Yeah, hiding behind that. Yeah.
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Thank you.
What's ballistic cap here? Number 4. Still, I think in this game, I think I got okay, like 6,000 hours, but or something like that. Insane. But it's not here. It's in the ships. The battleships. And most of my hours are, I think, at the aircraft.
Самолет! 9 часов. Дистанция 1300 метров. Цели достигнуты.
Oh, that's good. I got 3 assists. At least I did something, and I got a win. Okay, we got filters there. What do we got here? We got that. We got this. I think we are. What do we need here? Inclination. 2%, 4% inclination. What's this tank? Is that the small one? Yeah, we don't need that. We got the adjustment of fire that we needed. And this is APBC, then we shall have that. For sure. Gonna need another cup of tea. Or something. Maybe some coffee. Yeah. Be right back. Just gonna fetch my thermos. Well, we are back. This is nice coffee, only like 6 hours old, but still bloody hot. So, yeah, where were we at? Yes, failing. I'm failing hard. That is our major concern, that if we are too successful, then we're doing something wrong here. That's for sure. Just testing out the sorry about that. Just looking at my newest 3D prints. They look awesome, so at least some success today. What was it now? Where are we going? Yeah, exactly. I got in trouble here last time. Didn't I? Yes. Anyways, I got in much more trouble this time. Too Swedish. But at least I got some speed now. Just watch out for my would-be assassin, my future assassin, where he is at. Look at it go. Tanky Tonk, the little tank that could. We need to engage something here, huh? Where is that? That was not the fight I was looking for, aren't they? Oh my god, I have to, huh? And of course somebody's at that position now. Oh my god, we need to get out of there! Somebody, I don't... Oh. Let's see if we can poke our heads out here without getting this. Shut the fuck up here. We need to be fast as. Look at that. Oh. That little Manolim cunt. Okay. That does not fit that well, huh?
Victory is close.
Don't push. Yes. Okay. That actually fits. What do we just? Let's see if there's something for me. How fast I will die this time? Let's go for B. Oh my god, what did you do? That cunt there. Come on. Oh my god. Look at that goddamn thing, man. Bloody, he had a faster recycle rate. Master Blaster. Look at that. There's some big boys there, man. Couldn't even get points for goddamn. Oh. Couldn't get the aircraft. Hey, look at that. I was 11th best. What kind of trophy? $1 billion? No, of course not. One of that useless things that only get your team members killed. So there's nothing left here. I've got the bricks. Let's just take this and run with it. So what are we researching and how far away are we? So Shu 152 is 6k away, 7k. Yeah, I think yes, this one. I think that's gonna fit me just nice. And what is after that? After that is gonna be that one. Yeah. Let's go. Let's have a little sip of our coffee. This thermos I actually got while working at Danfoss. This has been a very, very good thermos for me. Let's see if this works. No, it's not that way. So it must be this one. Yes. Something like that. I think that will be fine. And we are going to take our tank here. Long range is that one. These guys are. Oh, we are going to hide. Oh, we are going to move out of there, man. We're gonna circle back around for that one. Oh, the alien. Good movie. Oh my god. Yes, just waiting. Let's just wait here somewhere. Can't remember if I had anything left here to level properly. Let's look at all the burning corpses here. They are all at my, aren't they?
Авиация на подлете.
Вперед! Есть вперед!
Oh, can't reach it.
Вижу повреждения.
Yes, just my idea to hide behind those. Oh.
Авиация на подлете.
Oh my god, the deflection! Again and again and again.
Влево! 004! Недолет! 10 часов. Дистанция 450 метров.
Keep it up and victory will be ours.
Т-34. 10 часов. Дистанция 400 метров. Недолет. Недолет.
No. Didn't get that aircraft either.
Недолет. Артиллерия, координаты. Уничтожить.
Принял. Открываю огонь. Внимание, воздух.
Oh.
Подбито. Попадание. Недолет.
I am scratching his paint. I am awesome at that.
Подбито. Перелет.
Unbelievable, huh? This is like my.
Вижу повреждения. Попадание.
Keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
Yes, that was just missing, of course. Was that forest my arm APC? APPC? What is Paul the alien shooting at? Somebody that can kill me? Yes. Yes. I could have had him if I wanted to. How much oh, 14 best. Yes. We are we are improving. Okay. We're gonna take this again.
Закрыть люки. Механик
And where are we going? We are definitely not going that way. Let's go to the house and work our way towards C. I should have pedals for this game. Hey, that's a great idea. Use binoculars, it's free, they say.
Allied
Okay.
forces have captured the zone.
есть вперед!
Allied forces have captured the zone.
Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 1100 метров. Take him down. Угадный. Недолет. Один час. Дистанция 950 метров.
If that is correct, he's like Andrew Torrin 74. He's like 55 years old, man. Man.
2 часа. Дистанция 1000 метров.
Yes, we're gonna take him down, man. Okay.
We're winning.
Soon we're just gonna see a grenade being lobbed at our position, my position. Oh, there was something here. I can shoot at.
Дистанция 450 метров.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Недолет. Нас подбили.
Oh my god, some people are just not 50 years old, 50 something, 50 much years old. They got skill. They got speed. They got eye-hand coordination. Well, I got an unbelievable good skill as well. It's called running my mouth to my own demise. That is my skill. Croc defroster.
We don't have the advantage anymore. Just a little more effort, and victory will surely
guy.
11 часов.
Of course.
Цель подбита. Бронебойным.
I had the wrong goddamn ammo on, huh?
Калиберным готово.
Авиация на подходе.
ССУ. 2 часа. Дистанция 650 метров.
Воздух! Attention to the designated grid zone.
Everything just explodes me no matter what. Well.
Воздух!
10 часов. Дистанция 850 метров. Танк 10 часов. Дистанция 950 метров. Бронеавтомобиль 10 часов. Дистанция 850 метров. Танк 10 часов. Дистанция 900 метров. Бронебойным готово. Слева. 004. Бронебойным готово. Самолет. 1 час. Дистанция 350 метров. Подбили.
Внимание, воздух! To the zone. Attention to the map. Авиация на подходе. Attention to the map. Attack the enemy. Request track assist.
Бронебойным готово. Танк 9 часов. Близко. Заблоки приготовятся.
Take him down.
Не залет. Бронебойным готово. Нас подбили.
Oh my god, how can he do that? I don't get it!
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Есть. Есть. Цель подбита. Бронебойным готово.
Everything is just cut. Everything shoots through me, no matter. I shoot that time. I hit the goddamn ring and hurt their feelings about some political issue. Well, we have come to the point where we're gonna uninstall the game. Perhaps I should tic-tac-toe. Probably get crushed there as well. What's this? Exit. Thank you. And thanks to that formidable display of failure, we will see it tomorrow. Moin.